This video will help you how you can clean your air con filters perfectly. As you can see, air con is on. You open the cover from the sides because there is clips to holding the top cover, 4 clips. You can see this clip is enter here, and then you can easily, if you open from the sides, easily you can open it. Now you push inside the filters and then slowly pull out. As you can see, the filters is so dirty, so you can easily clean them. After you take outing the filter, you need to push up slowly and then pull out your filter, because you cannot remove directly, because filter dust will go inside. That's why we need to remove be carefully, and then after that we close the cover and then we wash our filter. As you can see, now we washed already, clean already the filters. Now you can insert your filter slowly, and then you have the 3 locks in the filter. So you slowly enter your filter, and then first lock you push inside, and then the center also you push inside, and then after that the third one. That is the easiest method that you can clean your filter. This video actually just I clean my filter, so I just share with you with my viewers. So if they want to clean their filter, this video will help them. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's see you in the next video with the new tips, new tricks. Thank you.